We are back today at Intest channel, and today we are talking about the best CCTV solution for your commercial building. When it comes to deciding which CCTV system to deploy in commercial site, it comes typically to two manufacturers that cater for the entry-level price point. These are Hanwha and Hikvision. Both manufacturers offer strong surveillance systems, but which one is right for your site? Let's take a look at it. Hikvision, globally dominant player, known for its AI features, wide product range, and affordability. Hanwha Vision, or maybe you know it as Samsung Techwin, is South Korean-based manufacturer known for its innovation, again, wide product range, and tight cybersecurity. Both manufacturers offer IP-based systems, but there are subtle differences between them. So let's talk about the Hikvision cameras deliver great performance, loads of resolution for really good price point. Great for general coverage. Where you would go for Hanwha is low light scenarios, WDR requirement. For warehouses, car parks and offices, both would do well. But Hanwha would take the pick for more regulated environments. One major distinction is cybersecurity. Whilst both projects are widely used in the UK, Hanwha makes an emphasis on being secured by design and its NDAA compliance. Now, Hikvision, whilst improving, still gets a load of bad press from its Chinese government ownership ties. Both brands offer a bag of features: motion detection, facial detection, number plate recognition, AI features. Whilst Hikvision has wider bag of features and AI-powered tools for really good budget, Hanwha and their Wisenet AI is often more reliable, more precise, and it integrates well with other VMS systems such as Milestone. Hikvision will be more cost-effective upfront. If you are running cost-conscious project, you will find your winner in their vast product portfolio. Hanwha comes at premium, but offer a long-term support, great firmware, and advanced integration with other systems. So which one is better for commercial deployment? Truth be told, they both would do really well. It all depends on your long-term goals and your site requirements. If you are on a budget, if you want some AI features and rapid deployment, you want to be thinking Hikvision. If you have compliance questions you need to answer, if you need more resilient, and if you need a potentially advanced integrations with third-party systems, you are probably thinking more towards Hanwha. If you have particular questions and exact project in mind, feel free to reach out and happy to have a chat about your project and upcoming needs.